Karina from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Kingston Extendable Dining Table. This table has a very sleek and simple design, which is sure to suit a range of decorative schemes. The Kingston has a wood effect ceramic tabletop, which is contrasted by black metal legs. This table will last you a lifetime, as ceramics are known to be highly durable and less susceptible to surface damage. Despite its simple design, the Kingston would still catch your eye. It features metal butterfly legs that are high quality and will make for a sturdy table. The Kingston would be ideal for any family meals or special occasions, as it extends from 180 centimetres to 260 centimetres. The extendable leaves slide under the table neatly when not in use. The Kingston would be the perfect choice for anyone looking for something minimalistic yet sophisticated. You can shop the Kingston today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.